Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel Viperpiston. Today we are doing an ownership review of my Bajaj Dominar 400. So I have been owning this motorcycle for more than 1 year now, and I have done 14,000 kilometers on this motorcycle. So before starting the video, I have few words to add. This is my first video with my own voice, so there's going to be a lot of mistakes, so please excuse me. I'll try to improve in the future, and my English is really bad. I will try my level best to make it right. So yeah, and one more thing, so വീഡിയോ കാണുന്ന മലയാളികൾ കുറേ പേരുണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്കൊരു മലയാളം ചാനലും കൂടി ഉണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്ഥലവും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ട് മലയാളിയാണ്. ആൻഡ് മലയാളം ചാനലിൻ്റെ പേര് വൈപ്പർപിസ്റ്റൺ ഇൻ മലയാളം തന്നെയാണ്. സോ ഞാൻ ഈ ഒരു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് റിവ്യൂ ഇടുന്നതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ തന്നെ മലയാളത്തിലും മലയാള റിവ്യൂ ഇടുന്നതാണ്, അപ്ലോഡ് ആവും. സോ നിങ്ങൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ചെക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഞാൻ ലിങ്ക് മുകളിൽ ഐ ബട്ടണിലും താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ ഞാൻ കൊടുത്തേക്കാം. നിങ്ങൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ചെക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞാൻ മാക്സിമം മലയാളം വ്ളോഗ്സും ട്രാവൽ വ്ളോഗ്സൊക്കെ അതിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നതാണ്. So yeah, let's go. So this is my Bajaj Dominar 400. This is 2023 model, and this is BS6 Phase 2 E20 model. So as I said, I have been owning this motorcycle for more than 1 year now, and I have done 14,000 kilometers on it. So let's start with the design first. It's one of the most good looking motorcycles from Bajaj lineup. I really love that muscular, bold, sharp line designs. It's really sporty looking with touring friendly appeal. Such a beautiful machine. And definitely Bajaj have updated its design to make it more touring friendly, with the aerodynamic visor for wind protection, the hand guards, the sturdy top rack for luggage carrying, and there is also an bash plate which is made up of aluminum and fiber. I have removed it because I don't really go out for off-roading, and I just feels like it doesn't feel like it's complete, the motorcycle is complete. So that's the reason I have put this underbelly, which is from RC390 BS4 version. I have ordered it from some Instagram page. So if you guys want, you can order it from these Instagram pages. Otherwise, if you are planning to order it straight from Bajaj, it would take you more than 7 months or something like that. I have ordered it from KTM, but they says it's going to take more than that. It's been 7 months now. That thing I have ordered, so there is no update on that. So that's the reason I just gone to Instagram pages and ordered it from there. So yeah, that's with the design. It's really good. Is it really attention grabbing? Not really, because Dominar 400 is common these days. Everyone has a Dominar 400, so it's not really a rare bike or something like that. But everyone likes it. It's really muscular motorcycle, really looks like a muscle man, and that's one of the reason I added the underbelly. The fitting is not really good, but still it gives a complete look to the motorcycle. So next let's go to the LED, the headlight. It's a powerful LED headlight, fully LED. All the indicators, brake light, everything is LED. So the headlight is really powerful. The white lights have great visibility on normal roads, okay. But the problem is that when we come to wide highways, the white light spreads out, so the visibility just decreases. It's not a big deal, but it's a small problem. And also during the foggy weather season, The white light has no use at all. It just it has no use. So that's the reason I have put on these mini fog lights. You don't really need to buy a big massive one. You just need a small one for the fog lights. That's all. That's the reason I have put that. You can't see nothing during the foggy seasons. It's really blank. It's going to be really blank. So yeah, that's it. And now let's talk about the engine. The 373.3 cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine. It produces around 40 PS of power at 8650 rpm and 35 Nm torque at 7000 rpm. It also comes with a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts, which really helps in harder downshifts also. If you shift really hard from like fourth to third to second real hard, the rear tire won't lock up. It makes it smoother, so avoids a big accident with that. So yeah, engine wise I haven't felt any major problems with that, and it gives me enough power to cruise around for touring. It gives really a good amount of power for me on the throttle. And one of the major updates on the E20 BS6 phase 2 E20 model, they had on the previous model they have a triple spark DTSI feature, which they have completely removed, and the current model, the E20, the latest model, have only one spark plug. I think they made it for emission norms, for maintaining the BS6 phase 2 emission norms. I think that's the reason. And yeah, that's all with the engine. So so next let's go with the tank. The Dominar 400 has a tank capacity of 13 liters, and I get the mileage around 27 to 31 around city, majorly city, and short rides. And on highway the maximum I got is from 35 to 38. Yes, 35 to 38. The fuel economy has majorly improved from the previous models. Comparing with previous models, it has a great improvement. I don't know if it's with the has something to do with the single spark or with my riding style. I don't know, but it gives me good amount of mileage for a 400cc motorcycle, which is I'm really happy for that. And so next let's go with the diamond cut alloy wheels. So it's a beautiful looking alloy wheels, really sharp, beautiful, which gives a sporty look and blends with the design of the bike. I just love it. And next we have a dual barrel exhaust. Such a best sounding motorcycle in 400cc segment. I just really love the exhaust note. It's really deep, bassy. Such a beautiful sounding machine. So and next we have the display, which is fully digital. We have a speedometer, gear position indicator, and fuel level, time. And so now let's go with the brakes. The front brakes comes with a 320 disc, with such a great stopping power. It's perfect. I would say it's perfect for the motorcycle. For Dominar 400, it's really good. And the rear comes with a 230 disc, and it has a dual channel ABS for safety. It's really great. But if you talk about the braking power, the front brake is really great, and I have no complaints about the front brakes. But The rear brakes, it's bad. It's really bad. We don't really have that much of stopping power. You know, even at 60, 70 kilometers per hour, it has no impact on the motorcycle. You know, I know it's the rear brake is to control the speed, but still, I would say it's really bad brake. Rear brake is really bad. I would suggest you guys to upgrade it on to a synthetic of ceramic brake pads, which will really improve the quality of braking. And yeah, that's all with the braking and things. So what would be go next? And I have talked some of things, so now let's talk some of the negatives of these motorcycles. Okay, the first one, uh, I have changed both of my handlebar switches, like the everything, like the ignition indicators, everything like that. I have changed it both on warranty. It has some minor problems, it doesn't work properly. And there is a, if you check closely, there is a blue illumination on these switches, which also also don't work. So, and I have changed it on warranty, so I didn't have spend any money on that. I have changed it on warranty. And the next problem is, I had a problem with my headlight. The bulb inside the headlight, it started shaking. And when we go on bumps, the light would really go up and down. So I just go to next day. I go on to the service center, and they checked it, and yes, it has a problem. And I have also changed it with the warranty. So uh, so that's one of the problem. But if your motorcycle is new, you can change it on warranty, so that's not a big deal. And the next is the vibration. Too much vibration. The motorcycle has too much vibration on handlebars, the footrest, pillion seat, pillion footrest, the tank, the both side of the tanks, the front part of the headlight, everything vibrates. It's a single cylinder motorcycle, yes, I know, but still it's too much. Vibration is mainly visible at 2k rpm to 4k rpm, between that. And it's high at 3.5k rpm, like that. And it just reduces around like 6k rpm. I'm not saying that you should ride at 6k rpm all the time, and if you are riding like 4k rpm, the vibration would really irritate you, and you can't really enjoy the trip. So that's one of the biggest problems I have faced. You get really tired, and you can't really ride at 6 rpm all the time. But if you want to ride it good, you have to. That's all I'm saying. We can reduce the vibration at all the parts, like a tank and everything, with adding the rubber bushes. But in the handlebars, don't remove the bar and the weight. It gives a major advantage with the vibration, so don't remove it. Keep that stock one. Yeah, that's one of the negatives with that also. And that's all the major problems that worked with me. Yeah, and one more thing, I have one more thing. My brake lights, if you press the brakes, front brake and the rear brake pedal, the brake light would come, but mine won't work at all. And when I go on to the service center, they said it's a problem with the light switch or something, brake switch. And so they replaced it, and they charged me for that, and it only cost like 100 rupees or something. That's one of the major things with Bajaj. It's really affordable, really cheap. And also the materials also are cheap. They have problems, as it is really, they have made it really cheap. The problems also comes with that. So that is one of the major problem, I would say, that with Bajaj. The build quality is okay. I wouldn't say it's great. Build quality it is okay. So that's all with the major negatives and pros and goods. Now let's go with the service and maintenance. So I will give all the details in the description. What does it costed and everything like that in detail. So now I will just say, for my first service it costed me like 2130 rupees. For the second service it costed me 250 rupees only, and for the third service the 1997 rupees, and for the fourth service is paid. It costed me 3148 rupees. And if you are replacing or changing any spare parts with that, it would also add to that cost. Okay, I have only mentioned the major service price here, labor charges and service price for the oil change and every replacements. If you have any spare parts to be changed, it would also cost extra. It's really affordable comparing to other 400cc motorcycle. The Dominar 400 is really affordable with the maintenance. It's really great, and it's powerful, comfortable. I wouldn't say really comfortable. The seating is really okay. It has been become softer. The handle position is upright. It's also good for touring, and comparing with the maintenance, it's really affordable with the competitors. So that's one of the major things I would say. If you are facing some financial issues, Bajaj is great for you. And yes, it does lack the modern features compared to the other rivals. And to the conclusion, let's get to the conclusion. Like, should you buy this motorcycle? Should you get a Dominar 400? Now, I would say don't get it. Don't get this model, because the facelift model, the new model with new engine, new features, so many features like ride by throttle, TFT display, so many things like that. It is confirmed that Bajaj is going to launch the new facelift model of Dominar 400. Just wait for a few months and you will not regret the decisions. Okay, so please wait and just get the new model. If you are at the peak, like you want a motorcycle now, just now, and you can't wait, yes, you can go get the Dominar 400 or NS 400. If Bajaj Dominar is available at the showroom, you can buy, but I would say you would regret it when the new model comes. Like, why did I choose this? I should have waited more, like that. So that's the thing. Just wait for the newer model. If you want to buy the Dominar 400, then just wait for a few months, get the newer model. You would be really happy with that. The Dominar 400 will come with a lot of features. Yeah, and that's all with this in this video. And from today onwards, the upcoming videos, I will try to vlogs with this. I will try to upload vlogs on this channel, and on trips I will try to talk. The one of the things that my English is not good, so that's the major reason I don't really talk at all. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you like the video, just comment, like and subscribe, and yeah, please tell your thoughts on my video. I will really try to improve my grammar. So that's all. This is me signing off, Viperpiston. See you in the next video.